Hello friends, in this video we will cover some important numerical of module B, BFM, CIB BFM module B from unit the market risk, and the numericals are based on the basis point value. So friends, see very first numerical. How to solve that numerical based on the basis point value, that is BPV numericals. See, in the very first numerical, a bank has purchased 8% government securities with face value 1060 rupees with yield of 8.5%. Due to change in yield, that is yield has been changed to 9%. Due to change in yield 9% to 9%, the value of security declined to 1020. They have given information that bank has purchased 8% government securities with face value of 1060 rupees with yield 8.5%, but due to the change in yield to 9%, the security declined to 1020 rupees. Okay, now very first question. What is first question is calculate the change in BPV. Calculate the change in BPV for each basis point increase in the yield, that we have to find. So for change in BPV, that is for change in each basis point, what will be the increase in the yield, that we have to calculate. So friends, see, remember, for 100 basis point value, value, the change in value upon the change in yield, that is the formula. So what is the change in value? See friends, for 100 basis point, what is the change in value? Change in value is it is changing from 1060 to 1020. That means declining, right? Remember, when there is a yield is increasing, right? Yield is increasing from 8.5% to 9%. That means yield is increasing. Therefore, price is decreasing, but because they are inversely proportional. So what is change in value or a price? We can say it is 1060 to 1020. What is change in yield? It is the 0.5%. That is it is changing from 8% to 8.5%. It should be 9%. It should be 9%. So it will be 9 minus 8.5. So what is the 60 minus 20 will be a 40, and change in yield will be 0.5%. 0.5%. So here you can take 8, here you can take 8, and here keep it as 8. Okay, so change in for 100 basis point there will be change of 80 rupees. For 100 basis point there will be change of 80 rupees. Just subtract this, you will get 40 and divide it by change in yield, that is 0.5. so when you solve this, you will get easily 80 rupees as the for 100 basis point. What is the change? For 100 basis point it is 80 rupees. So for 1 basis point will be 80 upon 100. For 1 basis point it will be a 80 upon 100. So that will become a 0.80 rupees. That is nothing but the 80 paisa, right? So for 1 paisa, for it is for 1 basis point 80 paisa change. So for 1 paisa 1 upon 80 basis point. For 1 paisa 1 upon 80 basis point. So for what we have to calculate, we have to calculate for 40 rupees. How? See, price is changed from 1060 to 1020. That means by 40 rupees price has been changed, right? So just multiply by 40 rupees. So for 1 paisa it is a 1 upon 80 basis point change. So for 80 paisa, 40 rupees, that is nothing but your 4000 paisa, right? And for 1 paisa, you know, it is 1 upon 80. So for 4000 paisa, just multiply by 180, you will get 50 basis point. So friends, in this way you can easily solve. Just remember here how to easily just say for 100 basis point there is, what is change in value? Change in value is 40 rupees. What is change in yield? It is 0.5. So for 100 basis point you will get 80 rupees. 80 as the 80 rupees change, right? So for 1 basis point it will become 80 upon 100, right? So what we have to actually calculate, it is in rupees, right? So for 80 upon 100 rupees, it will be a 1 basis point change. So for 1 rupees it will become a 100 upon 80, right? So what we have to calculate for the 40 rupees, for a 40 rupees we have to calculate, right? So just we are multiplying by 40, so we will get 50 as your answer. 54 as your answer. This is the short method. So here is the short method for you, and here is the detailed explanation for you. Okay friends, see here. Okay, now we will move to the next question. See what they are saying. If the yield is increased by 100 basis point, calculate the value at a price. Very simple. If yield is increased by 100 basis point, see friends, for 1 basis point it is 80 paisa, that we have already calculated. See here, for 1 basis point it is 80 upon 100 rupees, that is nothing but the 80 paisa, right? So for 100 basis point it will become 8,000 paisa, that is 80 rupees. Simple, right? So what will be the new value? What will be the new value? See, it is the what is the final value? The price has been changed to see here in the question they have given face value is 1060. So always take a face value, subtract from face value, you will get the new value, right? So simple. Next question is very simple, and from that you can observe when yield is increases, the price goes down, and when yield decreases, price goes up, because yield and price are inversely related. They may ask one liner MCQ based on that formula, based on that theorem also. So friends, see next question. Very simple. If it is sell at a market price, if sell at a market price, that means what they are saying here. If the government securities are sold at a market price, then what will be the profit or loss? Simple friends. What is the here we have calculated that there will be a 40 rupees loss. In the numerical they are already saying they have face value 1060, and now the price is changed to 1020. You can easily observe there is 40 rupees loss, right, from that. So there is not the big deal here. So 40 rupees loss. Okay, now we will move to the next numerical. See friends, this type of numerical 100% they are asking in the examination. See, bank holds a bond with BPV of 1,02,000, with BPV of 1,02,000 per 1,000 crore. The book value is 19560 crore. Present value is 21086 crore. Total face value of the holding is 20248 crore. So what they are asking, what shall be gain or loss? What shall be the gain or loss in the holding? If portfolio yield increased by 12 basis point. Simple. If the yield is increased, by 12 basis point, then what will be the where there will be gain or loss? Very first you have to understand, if yield increases, then price will be decreases. That we have already seen. So very first you have to you are sure that when yield is increased, that means there should be a loss. 100% there will be a loss, right? So see, change in a price. What is the change in a price? It is nothing but the change in the yield. It is the change in the yield into BPV per 1 crore. You have to remember, it is the BPV per 1 crore. What is the change in yield they have given? See here, what they are saying, yield is increased by 12%. That means directly change in the yield is given. So just put the value of 12. And what is BPV per 1 crore? See, directly they have also given BPV per 1 crore, it is 102,000. So just put the value 102,000. You will come to know answer is the 12,24,000. That is the change in the price, right? That is nothing but your answer. That is the finally they have asked. So when they have given lot of data to just confuse you, right? So but answer is very simple. Change in price is nothing but the change in yield into BPV per 1 crore. both the value are they are directly given, just multiply and give the answer. Orally you can solve this type of numerical. In addition, what they can ask, in addition they will ask what will be the change in price for the 20 crore. What will be the change in the price for 20 crore? We have already calculated for 1 crore. So for 20 crore, just multiply by 20. You will get the answer for that also. So this type of numerical they can ask. Okay. Now what is the next? See, in the next numerical, face value of a bond contract. Face value of a bond contract is 10 lakh. 10 lakh rupees of face value is given. What is the basics? What is the basis point value? What is the basis point value for this bond for 90 days? For 90 days we have to calculate. Very important. And they are saying that assume that 1 year is 360 days. They have mentioned in the question. So see, if market yield is, and they are also saying if a market yield is increased from 10% to 10.5%, is so you must come to it, the thing must come into your mind that yield is increasing, that means price will be go down. What will be the impact on the bond value? Simple. See friends, basis point value is nothing but your face value into it, that is the change in the basis point. For example, for 100 basis point, the value is 1. Therefore for 1 basis point it will become a 1 upon 100, right? So that you have to remember, that is the percentage you can say. So this is the universal, you have to remember. So just multiply. Basis point value is nothing but the face value into your percentage for the basis point value. So for base value they have given it is a 1 lakh rupees. See, it is a 10 lakh rupees they have given face value. So just multiply 10 lakh rupees into they are asking for the 90 days, and here is 360 days. So 90 upon 360 multiplied by 0.01%. Right, so 0.01 divided by 100 because to remove the percentage sign. When you solve this, you will get BPV as a 25. We will get BPV as a 25. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the change in BPV. So what is the change in BPV? See friends, here market yield is changing from 10 to 10.5. That means 0.5% is change, that is increasing. So 0.5%, that means we have already calculated BPV is 25, right? What is 0.5%? That is nothing but the 50 basis point. That is the 50 basis point. See here relation, from here you can easily come to know. So just multiply that BPV by the points. So you will get 1250 as your answer, right? So here one important thing you have to remember is the for 1 BPV it is 0.01%, for 100 BPV it is 1%. Just remember second equation, that is 100 BPV is equal to 1%. From that you can easily come to know how to solve that type of numerical. These are very basic numericals, right? We have first calculated the BPV 25%. Now for change you have to just multiply by percent value, right? So you will get 1250 as your answer. Okay friends, now we will move to the next. We have almost completed the numerical based on the BPV. So friends, I request you don't forget to subscribe and share Banker Zone for more updates, and also all the best to your examination, that is the on day after tomorrow. So friends, thank you.